In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your X Twitter QR code. This is really handy if you want people to find your X profile quickly, just by pointing their phone at a code on your business card, packaging, or social media graphics. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open X and go to your home dashboard. At the top of your browser, you'll see the address bar with the URL of your profile. Click once into that browser URL so it's highlighted, then copy it. On most devices, you can right-click and choose copy, or use your usual keyboard shortcut. This link is what we're going to turn into a scannable QR code. Next, open a new tab and go to the website qr.io. This is an online QR code generator that lets you create and customize codes for free. Once the page loads, you'll see different types of QR codes you can create. Because we're turning your X profile link into a QR code, click on the option for a link. This tells the tool that you want a QR code that opens a website when someone scans it. Now look for the field that says something like "Enter your website." Click into that box and paste the URL you copied from your X profile. Double check that it looks correct so that anyone who scans the code lands on the right page. After that, you can customize the design. Start by choosing a frame style you like. Click on the frame you want, and you'll see it appear around your QR code. Frames help draw attention and give you space for a short message. If you want to change the default phrase, which often says "scan me," click into the frame phrase field and type your own text. You might use something like "follow me on X" or "connect on X," depending on where you'll use the code. You can also adjust the style of that phrase. Click on the phrase font dropdown and select a font that matches your branding or the look you're going for. Keep it readable so people can understand it at a glance. Next, click into the frame color field to update the frame color. Choose a color that fits your brand, but make sure there's enough contrast so the QR code remains easy to scan. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on the button that says Download QR code. Save the file to your device and you're ready to use your X Twitter QR code anywhere you like.